Before I did any of my childhood trauma work or got into therapy, I would date from a place of like, please, somebody love me. And I would date from a place of desperation. And I was one of those childhood trauma survivors that was incredibly shame-based. And I can't tell you how much trouble that got me into. I would just sort of pick the wrong women to date. I would just pick, it would just like be kind of a mess. It would be kind of trauma bonding. And when we're dating from a place of having our inner child run the dating life, which they have no business running given our attachment stuff, is we get ourselves into a lot of trouble. Why? Is because we're not good judges of character when we have that going on. We don't pay attention to red flags. We're not seeing patterns. We're just kind of blinded by somebody who is taking interest in us. And sometimes that's all it takes. So just some tips on how to find your inner adult and not let your inner child run your dating life, because they're just looking for a rescue, not a partner.